Question 7. Keris and Martin share £160 in a ratio of 7 to 1. How much does each get? So what that means, Keris gets 7, Martin gets 1. So the total parts is going to be 7 plus 1, which is 8 parts. So I'm sharing £160. So one part is £160 shared by 8, which is £20. So then because Keris, she gets 7 parts, because one part is 20, she gets 7 times 20. And then Martin gets 1 part, which is 1 times 20. So Keris gets £140 and Martin gets £20. Part B. If somebody had 84 out of 400 in the test, I would be writing this as 84 out of 400. I'd be looking at it and I'm thinking, what does our line mean? I should remember that our line means divide. So I'm going to be doing 84 divided by 400. Alright, because it's a calculator paper now, so I'll be doing 84 divided by 400 is 0.21. And then to change that to a percentage, you times by 100. So 0.21 times 100 is 21%. Question 8, similar question. Terry gets 140 out of 250. So if I was, that line means divide, so I'd be doing 140 divided by 250, because it's a calculator paper left. So 140 divided by 250 is 0.56. And then to change that to a percentage, I multiply by 100. So it'd be 56%. Part B. A suit costs £180 to make and is sold at a profit of 35%. What is the selling price? Right, it's sold at a profit, so we've got to work out what 35% of 180 is. You can either do it as 0.35 times 180, so to work out the profit, or you could do 1% is 180 divided by 100, and then 35% would be that answer, 1.8 multiplied by 35, or you can use the percentage button on the calculator, so you just do 35 times 180 and then press the percent button, which is behind the equals, so you would do 35 times 180 equals, but I forgot to press the percent button, so you have to press shift percent, and that comes up as £63. So I'll show you that again. So you do 35 times 180, you then press shift percent, and the answer is £63. So if that's the profit, the selling price now would be £180 plus the £63, which is £243. So the selling price is £243. Part C. This means you have two ways. You can either do it the long way by doing 0.841 to the power of 6, which means 0.841 times 0.841. That one would be squared. This one would be cubed. Another one would make it to the power of 4. Another one would make it to the power of 5. And the last one would make it to the power of 6. Or you do 0.841. Power button is either this or x to the y, and then 6 equals. So on my calculator, it's a triangle. So I'll be entering 0.841, close brackets, to the power, and then it says 6, so it's to the power of 6, which comes up as 0.35381. They're asking for your answers to 4 numbers after the decimal point. So your first one's a 3, your second one's a 5, your third one's a 3, the fourth one's an 8. So it's either going to be 0.538 or 0.539. Because the next digit is a 5 or below, a 4 or below, it's less than 5. You round it down, so my answer is 0.3538. Part 2. When I'm working out this one, I'm going to put a bracket round the top, and then I'm going to divide by the bracket round the bottom, because our line means divide. So I'd be entering and checking, there's no silly mistakes. 5.9 multiplied by 0.126, close brackets, divide by, open bracket, 94.3 plus 83.8, close brackets, equals, and that's in standard form. So as it right, comes up like this, 4.17405 times 10 to the minus 3. If you remember, when it's to the minus 3, it goes over 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So my point goes there. So 0.00417,405. So to 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's either 0.041 or 0.042. So because the next number is a 7, you have to round the 1 up because it's 5 or above. So it becomes 0.0042.